Hello and welcome to Top Abandoned Places, and in today's video, we explore an abandoned factory in South Wales. This factory was originally used to make seats for airplanes. It closed down in around 2019 and has been sadly vandalized since.
Hello and welcome to TopAbandoned Places. Today we are in an abandoned factory in the Welsh Valleys. So I've been looking for a few today. Thought I'd do a solo one today. It wasn't going to be a solo one, but it ended up being a solo one. I'm going to take you around this place. I've got my torch on me, got all my cameras. So I'll see you all in the video, folks. Okay folks, we're inside. Fuck the police. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. This place is in a rather a state. There's an old factory. Look at this. Set of stairs here. There's what remains of the bathroom. Look, sink there. Is there still a toilet left? No, well, just about. Turn the screen back on. I like seeing what I'm doing on the camera. It was Flying Start or something like that, I think the company's called. Not sure what they did here, and we'll try and find out. This factory's in a bit of a state these days, folks. And there's the actual main factory bit. We'll go in there in a second. Those stairs look really bad. Look at them. We will attempt to go upstairs in this place. Some interesting decay in there. It's quite easy access. Here we go. Surprised I haven't come across this place before, to be honest. It's been past this area so many times. I've never stopped by and had a look at this place. Such a state in here, there's all chemicals and drums and things on the floor. And this is sort of why I've got this mask on today. See, if I think there's going to be asbestos and chemicals and shit like that in a place, I'll chuck my mask on. They've actually restricted that bit from the inside. Seems like all the local kids have already set off all the fire extinguishers, but I'll have to be outside, so this is the only warehouse, but yeah. There's this bit. Nice. These are brand new steel toe cap boots as well, these are. I'm wearing. Can't find my other pair. The pair I've been wearing for so many years. Pray for the best though. It's another toilet block in here. So it's quite a big business, quite a lot of offices, and at one point this would have been. It's obviously seen better days now. Now I don't know how much longer a place like this is going to still be standing before it has a massive fire and burns the whole place out. Considering it's right next to a load of housing, it's right off the main dual carriageway. It's going to be a target. You know, there's still plenty of places of this nature around South Wales. See, that looks like asbestos there. Asbestos roofing panels. They are around. We're going to head upstairs now, folks. Turn the total stuff upstairs. There's light, plenty of light up there. In the upstairs. Floors do seem pretty solid. So there's where we just were. Warehouse bit there. As you can see, it's very visible on the public road there. Look. Some sort of water tank there, is it? A boiler. There's the goods lift. As you can see, that's the top of the goods lift there. So shocking, this is just here opposite a bunch of houses on the edge of an industrial estate. Strange location for it. I've seen better days, as you can see. See where the stairs are there. There's holes in the floor. It's quite large, but there's very little in here. Even the fluorescent bulbs have been ripped out. There's the blinds, look. That's what's left of the blinds. Look at that. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, folks. Yeah, that's the first explore I've done this year. First explore for a while, to be honest. I've been had a bit of trouble trying to do explores. I was going to try and get a chance before, but I ran out of time to be able to do them. I was doing other videos. I've got another channel I'm uploading to, so I'm sure many of you are probably already. I'm not going to make it easy for you, poor trolls, but I'm sure many of you are already aware of what that channel is. As you've seen videos I've done with somebody else who's got 2 channels, Urbex in Yorkshire. I'm sure many of you know what his other channel is, as he quite openly advertises it. Yeah, it's mainly like empty offices. Some of the blinds left, look. you know, it's an explore. It's not a bad one. It's a bit of a shitty, but you know, it's interesting to find something like this in my local vicinity, to be honest. It's good to get back out doing it again, to be honest. I am thinking of trying later the Gwent Police Headquarters, the old one in Turnpike Road. But the problem is, the place is guarded. It's got huts active on site, but if we don't do it, it could get knocked down. So I think the police are planning on building some sort of vehicle base there to update it. They've moved all the vehicles temporarily, I think, and yeah, Gwent Police still owns the site, so it is a risky one to try and do. But yeah, this has basically been this building. I think this is a good spot to sort of do an outro here. Okay, so that has been this abandoned factory. Let's try and get the edge of the stairs in there. Thank you everybody for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to slap that like button. Also hit that subscribe button to join the TAP Army. And we'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye for now, folks.